how to link Epic Games to Xbox account. So first, what you want to do is just simply open up the Epic Games browser right here. Once you're there, just simply log in first, then go to your profile icon right here on the top right, click on it, then click on account, then wait for it to load. So it will bring you here to our account settings, and just simply check on the left side and find the apps and accounts panel right there. So I have mine right here. Click on it, and here you will see the accounts that you can connect. So for this video, we're going to connect Xbox. So just click on connect on the Xbox right there, and it will bring you right here. So just click on connect account, and for it to load. And now you just simply need to click on accept. Then wait for it to load again. And as you can see, your Xbox network account is now connected to your Epic Games account. Then just click on continue. Now if you check right here, as you can see, I have successfully connected the Xbox network account to my Epic Games account right there. That's how you basically link your Epic Games to your Xbox account.